everybody. I was using fix and then see fix there. I was using it and then everything just went exploded. I was trying to move the washing machines, then some of them, and then one exploded. Then when I tried to move another one, it exploded, and then everything exploded. I tried to move all the washing machines, they all exploded, and I made this big mess around the map. It all broke. I don't know what happened. Some are even floating.
I couldn't need it. I'm trying to need the dough.
What is floating over there? I took it apart using. I was using it for. I used it and then exploded, and then I also destroyed Evie. And destroyed this tree over here. I even destroyed the Ghibli and Goobadoos. I don't know what their names are. I don't even know what their names are. I destroyed their trees. I don't know who they are. I forgot their names. I can't and I can't reset the washing machines because all the pads are all. Don't. Hey, look! All the washing machines are coming back to life. Bonk, 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 bonk. I'm gonna just reset them all. Like, cause I don't know what the hell did I just do. With this one? Hey, what the hell was what the hell is this? Which machine was that? What does transit bulk machines mean? Bulk machines? Bulk! Oh! What? Is that not funny in the air? I'm going to stop using fakes. What the? What? Okay, those are unfixable.
Let's need the baby.
I can't fix something. I know this game's broken. We're going to destroy the washing machines. See? They all just explode. Like out of nowhere. And then later, boom. Let me make you fall into the void. Let me make you fall into the void. Hello. I'm gonna make you fall into the void. Why not even really making you fall into the void? Yeah, you are gonna fall into the void. Seems like the washing machines don't even like to go into the void. Okay, now, do this minute. Bye.